name is Muthoni Koinange. I am the Sustainability Expert at the Sandbox. I am part of the value chain engine which ensures SMEs, entrepreneurs, business owners start on the right footing. My company, Social Performance Advisory, aka SP Advisory, is based at the Sandbox, and we are involved in sustainability or ESG. ESG refers to a set of criteria used to evaluate a company's environmental, social, and governance practices, which is a framework that helps businesses consider their impact on the society, the environment, and their overall governance structures beyond just financial performance. Embracing ESG can not only enhance a company's reputation and attractiveness to customers and investors, but also contribute to the long-term sustainability and success of the business in a socially and environmentally responsible manner. Let's walk this journey with you. Feel free to reach out to me or any other experts here at the Sandbox. Karibu Sandbox.